paragraph writing. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of related sentences that develop one main idea. Like we take any single topic and related to that only, that one main idea, we develop one para. So like if you look at any printed book, you will see that each chapter is divided up into sections, and these sections are called paragraphs. Okay, so paragraph mainly consists three parts: topic sentences, topic sentence, supporting sentence, concluding sentence. Now what is topic sentence, what is supporting sentence, and what is concluding sentence? Like firstly, you introduce the topic, okay, or subtopic to the readers. So introduction of the topic and other details related with the topic, that is called topic sentence. Now what is the supporting sentence? Supporting sentence means helping sentence, help to develop the theme of the paragraph. That means firstly we start with the introduction, introductory sentences, most important sentence of the paragraph, and then we will write the sentences which help the introduction, helping sentences based on the theme of the paragraph, and at last we will make a final comment on the topic, main points of the summarizing main points of the paragraph, or making a final comment, concluding sentence, that will come under concluding sentences. So our paragraph should be basically divided into three parts. That means starting, introduction, then supporting sentence, and at the end of it concluding. Including these 3 points only will make a good paragraph. Now suppose I have taken one topic, chips. There are different flavors of chips. Now what we have to do, now how to write a paragraph? Now the topic is chips, so just note down the random ideas and thought they are coming into your mind, okay, and form of words and short phrases of that. Like if I see the topic chips, thoughts which are coming into my minds are, I'm just writing the rough work like chips topic. Okay, now in my paragraph I will talk about different kinds, different flavors, different brands. And now what I will write after mentioning the different kinds, different flavor, different brands, now I will mention my best favorite one, potato chips. And in potato chips different flavors comes, plain or flavored, then I'll mention my own interest, like I love to eat, and then talk about it's good for health or bad for health. Mother doesn't allow, best snack, homemade, ready-made. So when I looked at the topic chips, these are the thoughts, ideas which come into my mind. And I have written these points as a rough. Okay, now I will include all these points to make a good paragraph. Some will be as topic sentence, some will be the supporting one, and some will be of concluding sentence. Like what things I have to be I have to write in as a topic sentences. Like I will introduce with this. Okay, like chips are of different kind, different flavors, and these. And supporting sentences: favorite one, love to eat, bad for health, mother doesn't allow, homemade, ready made. All these points I will include in my supporting sentence. And finally, I will make this one, that this is the best snack, as a concluding sentence. So we'll write a paragraph like chips are of different kinds and of different flavors. Full stop. Now next one, they used to be homemade in earlier times. Now they are available in ready-made packs under different brand names. My favorite is the potato chips, like plain, salted, or flavored. I love to eat chips. However, my mother doesn't allow me to have chips often, as it is bad for health. But I still think chips are the best snack. Full stop. Now I have only taken those points which came into my mind, and just I have concluded all those points to make a one paragraph. Now this is your next question. Suppose recently you traveled by a metro with your family. Write a paragraph in about 80 words on the topic a journey by the metro. A journey by the metro. Use the following hint points and your own too. That means I have given some points as inputs and you can use your own points also. Like the points are cleanliness, crowded, metro, picks up speed very fast, offered a seat to an elderly lady, enjoyed very much. So these are the 5 points. These you can take to make a paragraph or journey by the metro, and you can use your own thoughts also. And first what you have to do, think about it, write roughly points, whatever comes in your mind, and that after that just generate it into a form of paragraph. Try to use these points also. I'm leaving with you this question. You have to write this question, paragraph writing, in your copy.